Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create user for Azure MySQL database. First you have to connect to Azure portal. Then verify you have deployed Azure database for MySQL server or not. Go to the search box and search for Azure MySQL. See, click on this Azure database for MySQL servers. Notice here I have one database for Azure MySQL database. Click on this one. Here you get the server username and connection string details. Notice here this is the server name, server admin login name. In the left menu, see here we don't have option to create user for this Azure MySQL. Solution is we have to connect this Azure MySQL server from MySQL Workbench. Open MySQL Workbench. Now click on this MySQL Workbench 8.0. CE means Community Edition. If you haven't installed MySQL Workbench, then go through the link provided in this video description. Click on it. Now click on MySQL connections. Here we have to provide connection for Azure MySQL. Just I am giving same as my Azure MySQL server name. If you have SSL certificate, then provide here. Then attach here and advanced. Okay. Now go to parameters. Here we have to provide host name or IP of remote MySQL server. Here our remote MySQL server is Azure MySQL server. Go to the portal. This is the host name or server name. Server name is nothing but the host name. Copy this one or select this one and Ctrl C, or just click on this copy to clipboard button. Paste that server name here. Then port number is 3306 and here username. Username, then here we have to provide username. See, this is the username. Just copy it. Paste that username here. Now we have to provide the password by clicking on Store in Vault. Click on OK. Now test the connection by clicking on this test connection. See, successfully made MySQL connection. See the information. Host is this Azure host and user is this one. SSL enabled with this key and port is this one. Now click on OK. Again click on OK. See, we have successfully connected to Azure MySQL server and this is my localhost MySQL server. Click on this Open MySQL. Open MySQL is the server name for Azure MySQL server. Click on it. It is connecting to Azure MySQL server. See, this is the MySQL Workbench. We have two tabs. One is administration and another one is schemas. For our video purposes to create user for Azure database. Click on this users and privileges. Wait, it will load here. See, these are the list of the users available. First 5 are the default users comes with the Azure MySQL server. Just we have to click on this add account. If you want to delete, just click on this delete button. If you want to refresh, click on this refresh button. Now click on this add account. Here provide the username. David. Authentication type standard. Provide the password. Then next go to this account limits tab. Here provide the max queries, max updates, max connections and concurrent connections. Here we have to provide the roles and global privileges. I am giving DB designer, backup admin, DB manager, monitor, admin, security admin and user admin. If you select a DBA, it selects all the permission. But I am giving backup admin, DB designer, DB manager, monitor admin, security admin and user admin. Then click on apply. See, user is added, or you can also verify by querying list of the users. Select user from MySQL .user. See, David and R2 schools are the users created by us and remaining are the default users. Second method, to create user by using query window. Create user James @ we have to provide the server name. Server name is, go to the portal and check if this is the server name. Copy it and paste it here. Identified by password. Provide the password. Select entire line and click on this execute button. See, user James @ open MySQL identified this. So it is successfully created. Let's see. By running, select user from MySQL.user. We have successfully created the user James. Let's go to this users and privileges tab. It is here. Okay. Now see, but user is not there. Just click on this refresh button. Or close it and open it again. Click on this users and privileges link. See, user James is created. Limit to host matching I have given only for this host. Account limits, administrative roles I have not granted any privileges. So okay, if you want to grant here. Okay, and so in this video we have seen how to create a user in Azure MySQL database by using graphical user interface and by running create user command. For more Azure MySQL server videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.